In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly connect your Twitter profile to your Fresha dashboard. Whether you're looking to engage more with your clients on social media or simply make sure they can easily find your Twitter updates, we've got you covered. So let's dive right in and get you set up in no time. Begin by opening up your Fresha dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all of your appointments, client information, and business settings. It's designed to make navigating through your business details as seamless as possible. Once you're there, your next step is to locate the settings menu. This is easily found by spotting the gear icon, which is usually placed on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Give that icon a click, and you'll be taken to the settings area. Once you've made it into your settings, you're going to look for something labeled Business Setup. This is a key section where you can tweak and manage integral components that keep your business running smoothly. Click on this option, and you're one step closer to integrating your Twitter presence. Now, within Business Setup, what you're aiming to find is a section called External Links. This area is specifically designed for connecting external sites and social media profiles directly with your Fresha account. Once you see it, you'll want to spot the option for Twitter. This is where you'll add your Twitter presence to Fresha. Look for a button or link that says Add next to Twitter and give it a click. This will open up a simple form where you can insert your Twitter details. Next, within the same External Links section, go ahead and put your Twitter profile or page link into the designated field. Make sure you have the correct URL, as this will ensure that clients who want to check out your latest posts can do so easily and directly from your Fresha area. This is a great way to enhance their interaction with your brand beyond just appointments and services. After you've entered your Twitter link carefully, there's just one more thing you need to do. Look up to the top of your screen where you'll spot the Save button. This is crucial, as it secures any changes you've made. Go ahead and click on Save. And with that simple action, you're all set. Your Twitter profile is now successfully linked to your Fresha dashboard, opening up new lines of interaction and opportunities for engagement with your clients. Thank you for tuning into today's tutorial. By following these straightforward steps, you've added dynamic new value to your Fresha account. Don't forget to check back soon for more helpful tips and insights. Happy connecting!